This cream will last us months, if not up to a year. Come, let's make body cream together. Things used here are all organic and you can find them just in your neighborhood. Thank you to Easy for letting this recipe out.
Today I'm going to recreate that body cream, that glowing body cream that you did for your children. And my own will come out very nice, hopefully. Okay, thank you for the recipe. And these are all the things I brought out. I've already bought to make this thing. I will show the details in the video. Come along. So this is my orie. I have the orie in bulk. Like I bought the bulk. I've had this thing for a long time, and you know orie is needed in this process. 100 grams that I'll be using to make my body cream. These are mango butter. This is avocado butter. When I say orie means shea butter. For someone who doesn't know what orie is called shea butter in English. And this is my cocoa butter. This is about 200 grams. Did I say grams? 200, yes, 200 grams of orie. My essential oil, coconut oil, vitamin C. You know Nigeria on how our own is. It's not like that oyibo type. These are all organic stuff. I will mix all of this together to give me smashing body cream. This is shea butter orie. I'll be using 500 grams of orie, 300 grams of avocado butter, 500 grams of mango butter, 200 grams of cocoa butter, 50 mils. This is 50 ml vitamin C, 50 mils coconut oil, 50 mils essential oil, and this essential oil are just lavender and lemon joined together. Just as we know, first step is to dissolve all of this in a pan, in a very clean pan. Dissolve all of it. In my shea butter, this is a worry you join. Mango butter. You see they are beginning to melt on their own. I try to scoop out avocado powder. Hey, this I made the top on one. So I'll mix everything together to properly dissolve on a low heat to make your oil no go boil. It is remaining very slow. The heat, I'll allow it to cool off for a few minutes and then strain according to Easy. So guys, we are getting our cream. See my hands shining. Butter. Yeah. You can see the dirt. This is one of the reasons why you need to sieve it properly. See? We are good to go. So this is it after a few hours. It has congealed. It has come together. So I'll start whisking it with this. Don't worry. I have to do it until it becomes very, very fluffy. You can see it's coming like cream. It's coming out. I want to add this one. This adds like antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-human. It's good for the skin. I've already done the glue already. Hey. Mils of vitamin C. Coconut oil, 50 ml. Fine, it's so fine. Like the feel. Are you not seeing it? Like, you know they like cream. I'm sure I would like this one. You take them out because it's more of oil. You know they like cream. I shall say this one I would like her. See as I don't begin the glue. Only me go finish the cream for kitchen here because I will show you. See now. Hey, mama, your cream is here. Drop so you don't make mistake.
This is a case of be happy with what you do and what you are doing. That is why I have to, add a little fun to it, because I actually whisk this for up to an hour. When I say an hour, yes, I did this continuously until it became so fluffy like this. The more you whisk it, the better for you, and the more the cream comes out. When air enters into it, it brings out more fluffiness and makes the cream nicer. Next thing is to go ahead and package in any container that works for you. Store in a very cool, dry place. As usual, avoid direct sunlight. Okay, I transferred mine into all of this and then store in a very good place. Please do not keep it where the kids can reach so they don't go waste your cream. One of the reasons why I like to make things by myself, especially what goes in and out of my body, is because you are sure of what you are using. All of these are organic, and imagine the quantity I got for less than 10,000 naira. Can you imagine? Which cream is going to give you all of this for 10,000 naira? If you're watching up to this time, thank you very much. Please like, follow, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you're watching from YouTube. I love you. Bye.